Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project, and it's called the TSIM box, the Smart Integrated Music Box. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, it has 5 modes. The first one is the song mode, the text mode, the draw mode, the mouse mode, and the sing mode. I'll be going through each one of them one by one. So first of all, I'll be going. So now let's present to you the overall block diagram of our project, and then we'll go to the live tab.
Then I need to film this.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so in any case, so this is our overall system block diagram. The first system that we have is the GLCD and the touchscreen. Then the second subsystem that we have is the Internet Wireless Communication Control and the PC with the communication between the two PICs. The third type of features that we have is the SD card, digital signal processor, and amplifier speaker. The last one is the servos and motors. So these are and each PIC has its own roles, and this is the overall system architecture that we are presenting with.
The
communication is through UART, and there's we support the three-way communication between the PIC, the second PIC on the PC, or the PC and the first PIC, or even both ways. So it's a three-way communication. Okay, so the first main feature of our product is the ability to draw, type, and select the different modes that, as you can see just now. So the first one is just comprises of this subsystem, and this is the PIC, LCD, and touchscreen just now. So the second feature is the ability to control a mouse, the computer mouse from the PC, from our box, sorry. And so the necessary system that will be required in this feature will be the LCD touchscreen, and then the wireless communication control, and then the PC. So these are all the system required. The third main feature of our product is the ability to send email and even send or update a Facebook status. And so the thing that's required is also the same thing. The only difference is that the PC connects to the internet. So it's acting as a host server, and so the input is still via the touchscreen and the LCD. Okay. Moving along is the fourth feature, is the ability to transfer song from the PC to our device, such that we can store the song and then we can play it from our device without the need for hassle wire. And so the thing that will be required is, the first thing that we have to do is to store it. And so so ignore this part. In any case, the first sequence that will happen is that the LCD will initialize a data transfer, and so it will communicate this. The touchscreen will the user will initiate a data transfer, and it will communicate with the PC to request for the data. And then, the moment it's requesting for data, the communication will be transferred between these two. This is the second phase of the transfer. The second phase of the transfer, the PC will transfer the data, and then I will first store it into the SD card. And then, once it's done, the communication will be backed between these two, and then this one will request. The user can then request for the new song to be played via. The user can request via the touchscreen, and so when you request a new song, so this one will initiate a communication between these two to play the proper song, and then then the second PIC will grab the data from the SD card and then throw it into the speaker such that it can be played as the new song file. Moving along, the last and major feature of our product is the ability to dance along with the movement according to the sound. So basically what happens is, this one is just an as it plays the song, the SD card, the amplifier and speaker, we have a sensor that which we obtain the data for the movement, such that we control the servos to our desired direction. So not desired. I mean, it's a random direction based on the sound that is produced.
Yeah.
So that concludes our 5 main features, and so we'll move along to the demo of. Coming back to the 5 main features that we have. The first main feature that we have is the ability to draw, type, and select the mode. So as you can see, these are all the different modes. So now first I'll go into the draw mode. Okay, so look, so as you can see, I'm now in the draw mode, and see if I draw a smiley face. Let me try to draw a smiley face. There you go. That's a smiley for you. Okay, so now we have an eraser function as well. So the moment I click on it, oh shit, oh, sorry. We have an eraser right there. As you can see, I can delete one of the eyes. Okay, so and then now there's the third function that we can clear the state, and so that concludes our doodle, our very own doodle. Okay, so now I exit the mode and back to the main menu. Back to the main menu, we'll move on to the next main feature that we have, and that is controlling the mouse. As you can see, there's a mouse function here, so we can control the mouse that is in the PC from our device. So let's have a look at the PC that we'll be controlling. As you can see,
you need some time to set up.
no, okay. So as you can see, there's only one USB port here. We have to prove that it's based on our device. So okay. So as you can see, for all the USB ports that's in this laptop, that's on this laptop, there's only one USB port, and that's our wireless communication device. And as you can see, there's nothing else around. So okay, let's go into the mouse mode. Okay. Now, do you want to move closer so you can see clearer? As you can see, where is the mouse? The mouse is here. Okay, so now I'll try to control it with our device. Have a look. Okay, can you see clearly?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I'll move it. As you can see, it's pretty jagged. It's different from the normal mouse, but we can do it. And now, let me do a right click. You want to show the touchpad that I don't touch it?
No, a bit far, but it's okay.
Okay.
I can understand.
So
This one is video, it's okay.
I can
Because
left click, right click again, and I can even select. Oh, sorry, I pressed the quit. Okay, so it's back. And let's open the Google Chrome. Okay, see, I've opened the Google Chrome, and let's do what? Let's go to YouTube. Okay, as you can see, we have gone into YouTube, and now we have gone into YouTube, and now I can do the right side scroll bar control from our device, as you can see.
yeah.
Okay, so that concludes our presentation on the mouse. Now I'll exit from the mouse mode. Okay, so it's exited. Now back to our device. Let's have a look at the next feature.
Then baby, gon' take you on a high.
Okay, so the next that we have is sending a post on Facebook status. So basically, we can send a update a Facebook status via our device. So we can do that via the text mode. And before we do anything, let's have a look at the current Facebook status. As you can see, we have created an additional account. It's called the SIMbox, and the previous comment is that we are ready. Okay, let's move along. Let's have a text mode, and then let's have a hello world. Let's do it. What's the space bar? Is it here? Joe, where's the space bar? Is it here?
Yeah, the empty space slot.
Okay, so let's have a hello world. There you go. Hello world. Hello world. I have no idea. So let's just get it. Send it.
You can send all the way to 40.
Have it been sent? Have I pressed it?
You need to go press refresh your mouse.
Have I pressed it? I have no idea. Let's try it again. You want to refresh it? Yeah, there you go. So as you can see here, now the updated Facebook page has a hello world from the one that we have typed from here. So let's clear it, and So that basically concludes the updating of Facebook status. Essentially, we can also send an email. It's just that currently we are sending pretty
Baby, let's make everything alright.
So, moving along, let's exit from this mode and go on to the next mode. So, to the next mode, we'll have it such that currently we already have 3 songs that has already been stored. 2 songs at the moment that we have stored via the wireless communication, and since this is it takes quite some time so to send the data, so might as well we just play it for now. We'll send it later. So the first one, as you can see, there's 2 songs, Golden Eye, and the second one is the Despicable Me trailer. So let's play the song Golden Eye. Can you hear it? I think you can hear it. Okay, let's move along. The second one is the Despicable Me trailer. Let's see if... there you go. Let's have a pause. Then the last thing that we have is a pause and unpause button. So basically we can pause the song and we can unpause it. Did I press it? Yeah, there you go. So we unpaused it. Okay, so let's pause this before it make a lot of noise. Okay, let's pause it and we exit. Let's exit. Okay, hi everyone. So basically this is our sim box and we are now in the sync mode, and because the sync mode takes really a while and it takes really long, so we have already begun syncing the song file, as it wasn't initially there, but we are currently syncing a song file, and
It's through this.
This is a wireless module, you can see, and it's inside here. The receiver is here, and this is the transmitter, and it's connected to a computer. And as you can see, the data is 10580. It's not moving, but it's because it's just refreshing too fast. So if I press it, as you can see, it's refreshing at the actual rate. So it's actually sending, but yeah, it's just that it's not refreshing. But as you can see, we are currently only sending 20 kilobytes of data. So as you can see, 20 kilobytes take how long? I mean, this is how many bytes per second, and it's gonna take quite a while. So we'll be back. And, Try again. So after we finish, now is that we have finished syncing with the song. As you can see, there's a done here. So basically, and then you can see the data number of data bytes that has been sent is 20.5 kilobytes. So after 20.5 kilobytes of data, we actually stop it. So basically, when we are back here, we can actually see that the title have changed. So where's the title? The title have changed. As you can see now, there's 3 titles on the song menu. The first one is the Golden Eye, the second one is the Despicable Me, the third one is the song that we have just synced in. And the song title is actually we predefined the song title. So in essence, it's not the title of the mp3, but it's actually our own predefined title. So let's unpause it. As you can see, I unpaused it. Did I just paused it? Yeah, I just paused it, sorry. Okay, so basically this is a 5-second song, I think, and it's just gonna be on loop because of the data limitation that we have. Actually, we can expand on it, but yeah, so as you can see, it keeps repeating that same song. So there you go. Okay, hi everyone. This is now we are back to the sim box, and now we'll be trying the music mode, where it will move according to a random number that is generated by the music. So the music sound. So let's try it. You want to have a look? There's a speaker here. This is a loudspeaker. This is the loudspeaker where it's supposed to generate the sound. This is a microphone where it's supposed to get the audio input. It's supposed to get the audio input. And okay, so now we'll unpause the song for the moment. Okay. So now we'll move based according to the music. And here, there's a assumption is that the movement should not crash. So this is a sonar sensor, so it will move. And then the moment it sends something, it will move backwards. So Okay, let's try the music mode. The music mode is by this button. You want to, okay, so these LED lights are supposed to show the directions, and this button is supposed to activate it. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so it's supposed to move randomly. Okay, let's try. Keep doing this. All right, and so stop it. Okay, so the stopping is via the. What did I do? Oh, the stopping should be via these two LEDs. These two LDRs. So because it's in the hope that we want to show the catching, like because in the hope that we want to catch the thing. So when you do this, it will stop the light. So
thing can.
Okay, so basically
So
that concludes the music mode, and maybe it has the light function. It can also detect light. So basically, if you send it a light, it will move based on the direction that we shine it to. Yeah. So basically.
oh, power came up.
Oh, the power came off. Okay, so that concludes our presentation.
Yes, I know that you are the only one for me, and it's already there on your face. Something I can do, nothing I won't lose. Baby, you're the only one for me, and I know that you